bed, I couldn't sleep, I had to write. Went and grabbed a notepad, jot down a couple thoughts. Ain't worried about my time, it flies by and never stops. Got some shit that's on my chest and it must be put to rest. This life is like a test, might not achieve my conquest. This pen and this pad is all I have, plus my girl. Not making any music's like not making it in the world.
And I gotta confess, I feel the stress building up. Traffic jams in my head, so now my thoughts are getting stuck. Won't you tell me what you're thinking is the question I receive. Need to make my feelings bleed, some reason can't complete the deed. Then I freeze, call me Neo when I'm trapped inside the matrix. Dodging issues in slow motion in my life, how can I break
See,
this?
everything is riding on my back. Check, rent, kids, invested all my spare time inside the booth, spitting hits. And the risk of all this is, might not make any paper, not even make a cent to justify my hard labor. Irritated by the masses, not hearing all my words. They're easy listening, I never will be heard. I'm alert and I'm aware of all the other failed attempts, but something in my mind keeps me driven for success.
Not to say that I'm losing, but I know I'm not ahead. The game of life is nothing nice. On the sides I need some tread. Now stability is key. Down my throat flows the weed. I breathe corrosion in my lungs. Is the way I pay my fees. Disappear into my hole like a mole. Away I go back to the drawing board. Premeditate the perfect flow.
I'm stressing, waiting for my opportunity to knock. Someone put my life in overdrive, I'm trying to make it stop. Dropped a jewel the other day, my friend tagged along. Put on the headphones, find the meaning to my song. Long gone the concentration, you need to be more patient. Halfway hearing, jumping in the conversation, saying yeah, that shit's alright. It sounds kinda tight, not knowing the emotion that I wrote in all my lines.